Made $4,500 live in front of my Discord on NFP, and this is exactly how I did it. So this is very straightforward. All I did was wait for 8:30, so this is when the NFP news event was coming out, and I mapped out the NFP candle high, and I mapped out the NFP candle low. And all I did was wait for one side of the high or the low to get taken. So if we take out the NFP candle high, we will target the NFP candle low. So as you guys can see that we take out the NFP candle high, so I want to target the NFP candle low. And all I did was wait for this bullish gap to be disrespected. Once we disrespect this bullish gap, I want to see a close below and to target the sell side liquidity, which was resting below the NFP candle low. So once I got this close, I waited for a fair value gap to form, and this is where we formed a bearish fair value gap. So once the market traded into here and we rejected away, I moved on to the M1 chart, and I was looking for an execution to target the NFP low. On the M1 chart, you guys can see that we're rejecting away from that 5-minute fair value gap. Once I saw this, when we had a green candle which printed to the upside, this is where I sold with a stop loss above this high, and I was targeting the NFP candle low.
18 months ago, I couldn't pass a single prop firm challenge. Now, I'm a funded trader. Here's how. Step 1, I got the PipsGravity Mastermind Trading Plan. Link in bio. Step 2, I mastered market structure so I knew exactly when to buy and sell. Step 3, I learned liquidity traps and fair value gaps so I could trade with the banks, not against them. Step 4, I used their entry and trade management system to protect profits and grow my account. If you're tired of starting over, stop trading blind. PipsGravity is your shortcut to funded trader status.